Hey guys, welcome to another tech video on my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Keychron K2 keyboard. So it's a wireless keyboard, mechanical for Mac and PC, so it's interchangeable, so it's pretty cool. So let's open it. So inside you get a little picker to get the keys out, and then you get a little instruction manual, and then the keyboard itself is wrapped in this nice package. Not sure what it's made of, probably plastic, but so at default it is set up for the Mac setup, as you can see, because it has the command key and the option instead of the control and alt. It also comes with a built-in USB-C cable, so that's pretty cool, but I already have my own, so I won't be needing this. Alright, so I just turned the keyboard on. As you can see, there are lights. This is the LED key. If you press it, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's lights here. Let me just turn this off so you can see it better. And there's definitely LED lights. There's also two little stand things here, so you can just prop that right up on the table and you can start typing away. So as you guys know, I'm a high school student, so I use a MacBook Air for school, and this setup helps me because this is a way better typing experience than the standard butterfly keys on my keyboard. So yeah, I like this setup a lot better. And after I turn off the lights, you can see you can change the different LED profiles. This is reactive, so you can click that. This is a sort of cool lighting color. This is the best one, I think. And over here, you see there are a few switches. So this is the Bluetooth switch. So if you turn that off, this is the switch you want to click if you want to change your system. So the right side is Mac, left side is Windows, and like that. And this is a USB-C cable for you want to do your cable work or you want to charge it. And this has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, so it'll last like months, 2 or 3 months. So yeah, so this is a really good keyboard. I got it because I need a better keyboard for my laptop, and I can't just plug in my PC keyboard because that's a lot of work to do every time. So yeah, great keyboard. It's about $80 or whatever currency you're from, but yeah, pretty good keyboard. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. I do unboxing videos and gaming videos. I usually do gaming, but if I have a new cool product, I would like to review it or unbox it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.